Have you ever heard of Ally Financial? It's a big name in the financial industry, offering everything from car loans to savings accounts. But recently, Ally Financial has been under fire for a massive scandal. Let's dive in and explore what happened. Ally Financial, formerly known as GMAC, has been a major player in the financial industry for decades. It's a company that many people trust with their money. However, a recent scandal has tarnished its reputation. The scandal unveiled. The scandal revolves around Ally Financial's mortgage lending practices. It's alleged that the company engaged in a series of questionable activities, including predatory lending, accusations of targeting vulnerable borrowers, such as low-income individuals and the elderly, with high-interest loans and unfavorable terms. Misleading advertising, claims of deceptive marketing tactics that misrepresented the true costs and risks of their mortgage products. Improper foreclosure procedures, allegations of wrongful foreclosures, and illegal eviction practices. The impact on borrowers. These practices have had a devastating impact on countless borrowers. Many people have lost their homes, suffered financial ruin, and experienced significant emotional distress. The scandal has highlighted the predatory nature of the mortgage industry and the need for stricter regulations to protect consumers. The regulatory response. In response to these allegations, several regulatory agencies have launched investigations into Ally Financial's practices. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, the Department of Justice, DOJ, and various state attorneys general are conducting inquiries to determine the extent of the wrongdoing. The public's reaction. The public's reaction to the scandal has been swift and severe. Social media has been flooded with angry posts and comments from affected borrowers. There have also been protests and demonstrations demanding accountability from Ally Financial and its executives. The future of Ally Financial. The outcome of the ongoing investigations will have significant implications for Ally Financial. If the company is found guilty of wrongdoing, it could face substantial fines, penalties, and legal action. Additionally, the scandal could damage its reputation and lead to a loss of customer trust. The Ally Financial scandal serves as a stark reminder of the importance of consumer protection and ethical business practices. It highlights the need for stricter regulations on the mortgage industry and greater transparency from financial institutions. The Ally Financial scandal is a serious issue with far-reaching consequences. It's a wake-up call for consumers to be vigilant and to carefully consider the terms and conditions of any financial product. As the investigations unfold, we can only hope that justice will be served and that lessons will be learned to prevent future scandals of this nature. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.